Hi everyone, welcome to a quick video tutorial on how to make a downloadable link for any resources you want to share that's stored on your Google Drive folder. So this is a great solution for if you have an opt-in, if you have a lead magnet that you want to share, that you don't want to create you don't want to create a shareable document right on your Google Drive and share it so that they can go into your document, open it, and download it. This way, it's downloaded automatically without any issues or tech glitches that could happen because of something that's the setup on the user side. So this is how I've set up my opt-ins, and actually this is a video I'm creating because one of my clients was having issues opening one of these folders, opening one of these documents I was sending them because of the fact that they were already logged into Google, which many of us are when we are using Google. We click on links and then it tries to automatically open from using the extensions that are already installed on our browser. If you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. This just makes it easy for your clients, your customers, your prospects to download documents without the hassle of having to get lost in the technical process. Okay, so this is how you would do it. Now, I always recommend that you have a separate folder in your Google Drive for all of your documents that you're sharing as lead magnets, as resources for free or paid, so that you're organized, right? So that you know that everything in that folder is publicly shared. They have public links activated. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to right click on the document that you want to share, and you're going to click on the share button. And in here, you're going to make the link so that anyone on the internet with this link can view. So if it's not already that way, if your folder is not already public, then you need to go in and change that. Now, by default, they will be set to restricted. Okay. Now, if you have a G Suite account, you will need to go into the link and also change it to be shared publicly outside of your organization, because by default, when you share a document on G Suite, it restricts the access within your organization, within your domain name. So you need to change that to make sure that it is viewable publicly. It does not need to be editable. It does not need comment access. You just need view access. All right. Once you do that, you're going to click on done. You're going to copy this, sorry, not that link. You're going to copy this link. Actually, I should have done that earlier. I'm going to copy this link. Then you're going to open up your notepad. Now, you're going to notice that I've already done this a couple of times because I wanted to make sure I don't forget the shortcut. So this is the original that I copied earlier, and this is the edited. Okay. Actually, this is the edited. Sorry, this is the edited. This is the original. So, I will just copy over this for the sake of making it clear. And we're going to do some edits on this link. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the drive.google.com and the /, okay? And then the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna find the string of characters that is basically the identity of this document. So if you look up here on the browser, anything that comes from after folder / is like a basic string of characters. That's your ID for that specific folder. In this case, this is the ID for the document. So you wanna click on, whoops, sorry guys. You want to click on just before that number string, and you're going to delete everything all the way up to that / right after the .com. Then you're going to type in UC ID =, okay? And then you're going to come all the way to the end of the string, and they're going to delete everything all the way to the forward slash at the end of that string of characters. And then you're also going to delete the forward slash, okay? Here, we don't delete this forward slash. Here, we do, okay? Then we're going to type in this word here. So it's an at and symbol, the word export equal download. So basically now you've coded, okay? You've coded it into the link that it is no longer a view file, it's a download file. So you're going to copy that, and if you paste it, you're going to see as soon as I hit the enter on my keyboard, it's actually going to download the file onto my browser. There we go. So it's in my download folder. It's down here. If you have this disabled by some means, then you'll be able to find it in your downloads folder. So that is the link now that you are going to, this is the link now that you're going to embed in your emails. So you're going to put something like, click here to download the resource, da 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 da. In my case, it's the 30-day group growth checklist. And then I would say, click here to download the 30-day group growth checklist, and you embed the link so that it becomes a clickable link. And as soon as people click on it, instead of it opening up like this, so this is how it would open if you shared the link directly from here, right? It would open up like this, right? Which is fine, but it can be confusing because now the person has to go in, download it, or it might actually try to open with a different extension and mess all of your formatting, which can be really frustrating for the end user. So to avoid that, we make it a downloadable link, and you're avoiding all of that technical issues that might come up with people saying, oh, I can't open it, oh, I can't print it, oh, it's not opening, and all of these different things. So that was my quick hack for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this is valuable to you. If there is any other issues that you come up with when you're sharing your opt-ins, when you're creating and sharing your digital documents, let me know, and I'd be happy to show you how to get around those little hurdles. Take care, guys.